Good morning, second grade, or good afternoon, whenever you're doing this. We're going to do our next lesson. Last lesson we got cut off, so I'm going to try and go even faster, hopefully. But wherever it cuts me off, make sure that you're continuing on and still working. I don't want you to just stop math just because my video stopped, okay? Keep going, keep working, finish the lesson, and finish all those pages, okay? All right, we are still in Chapter 3. I want you to open up to page 179. Make sure it's lesson 3, not lesson 3.3. I want you to open up to page 181, lesson 3.4, 181. So get to that page. If you aren't there yet, pause the video and we'll work. Start working whenever you get to the page. Okay. So what we're going to do, it says write the sum of each pair of addends. So if you remember before, addends are the two numbers that we add together to get our sum, right? So we're going to do 2 plus 6. What is 2 plus 6? 8. So we'll put 8 in this box up here. 3 plus 3, that's a doubles fact. Easy. 6. 5 plus 4. I know 5 plus 5 equals 10, and if I take 1 away because 4 is less, then it's 9. So 5 plus 4 must equal 9. 1 plus 4, oh, that's easy. If I have 4, I'll add 1 more, count on, 5. 7 plus 3, oh, that's easy. 7 plus 3 makes 10. So I know that that's 10. 2 plus 5, okay, if I have 5 and I count on 2 more, 5, 6, 7. 7. Boom. All right, let's go to the next page. That first one was pretty easy, wasn't it? All right, today it says you can group, let me show it to you. You can group numbers in different ways to add. Choose 2 addends, look for facts you know. Changing the way the numbers are grouped does not change the sum. So I think we talked about this a little bit already. It doesn't matter what order you add things up. You're always going to get the same sum. So you could add 7 plus 8 or 8 plus 7, and the answer is always going to be 15. It doesn't matter. 2 plus 3 or 3 plus 2, the answer is always going to be 5. So when we're adding these, when we have more than 2 addends, now today we're going to have 3, it doesn't matter the order, okay? You can add them in any order you want. So here we have 3 plus 2 plus 7. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Then we still have to add that 7, and 5 plus 7 equals 12. We could do 2 plus 7, that equals 9. Then add the 3, and that still is 12. We could do 3 plus 7, which is how I would do it, because I know that 3 and 7 make 10. And then add the 2. And then we have the same answer, 12. So, again, it doesn't matter the order that you're adding those addends up, you're always going to get the same sum. So, today, we're going to practice by adding the addends in different orders and see if our answer is still the same. Hint, it's going to be. Okay, let's go to number 1. So we have 1 plus 8 plus 2. All right, the first thing that you guys might want to do is do 1 plus 8, and that equals 9. Okay, and then we have 9 plus 2. 9 plus 2 equals 9. Let's add on 2 more. 9, 10, 11. Our answer is 11. We also, which is what I would do, is I would do 8 plus 2, because I know that 8 and 2 make 10. And then I have 1 left. 10 plus 1 equals 11. Did we get the same answers? Yeah, we did. Okay, let's keep going. Number 2. Okay, right away, I noticed that 3 and 3, because I know my doubles facts. 3 plus 3, 6. And then I need to do 6 plus 7. Okay, 6 plus 7, I know that 6 plus 6 equals 12. Add 1 more, and our answer is 13. So I'm using that helper doubles fact to help me out. Okay, I also see 7 and 3. 7 and 3, I know that makes 10. 10 plus 3 equals 13. Did we get the same answers? We sure did. right, let's keep going to number 3. 4 plus 2, okay, we can do that. 4 plus 2 equals 6. 6 plus 4, oh, that makes 10. Easy. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Okay, next one, let's see if we can get the same answer. I also see that 4 and 4 plus 4 equals 8. That's a double, isn't it? And then we have 2 more, so 8 plus 2 makes 10. Easy again. Boom, we get the same answers, 10 and 10. So again, it doesn't matter what order those add-ins are in. Okay, number 4. We'll do 2 plus 8. 2 plus 8 makes 10. 10 plus 2, 12. Make sure that you're trying to solve these on your own too, okay? Don't just wait for me to give you the answer. Try and figure it out, right? Okay, and then we can also do 2 plus 2 because 2 plus 2, that's a double, right? What's 2 plus 2? 4. Then we have 4 plus 8. So I'm going to start with 8 and I'm going to add on 4. So we have 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Our answers match. We're doing something right. They should match, right? If not, then we know we got some issues. We need to be fixing something. Okay, now it's the same thing. They just wrote it a different way, okay? Instead of it going horizontally, it's going vertically. It's the same thing. So we can do 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2, what's 3 plus 2? 6. No, 5. Hopefully you heard me say 6 and we're like, no, Miss Broker, that's not right. 5 plus 6, what is 5 plus 6? I'm going to use a helper double. I already know what 5 plus 5 is, and I just need to add one more. 5 plus 5 equals 10, plus one more equals 11. Okay, let's go to the next one. Let's add it a different way. So now we can do, I'm going to do 2 plus 6. 2 plus 6, what does that equal? 8. I heard you, some of you say it. Good job. 8 plus 3 then. 8 plus 3. 11. Same answer. Okay, let's go to number 6. Ooh, this one's going to be easy. Because if I add 7 plus 0, my answer is still going to be 7, right? Yeah. When you add nothing, it's the same number. 7 plus 2 is what? Shout it out. 9. Okay, over here, we could do 0 plus 2. What's 0 plus 2? 2. And then we need 2 plus 7. You just did this. The answer is 9. Our answers match. Pretty easy today, right? Okay, I want you to pause here, and I want you to try the on your own page. See if you can do it by yourself, okay? Pause it and start working. All right, welcome back. I hope you paused the video. Let's go on to this next page, and I'm going to quickly, pretty quickly, go over the answers, all right? So, really we're just checking your work because you paused the video. And now we're going over your answers, okay? So I'm not going to go very slowly. So let's do 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 equals 5. 5 plus 6 equals 11. Okay, I also could do 1 plus 6. That equals 7. 7 plus 4, that also equals 11. Answers match. Okay, we could do 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 equals 7. 7 plus 3, that makes 10. Or we could do the double first. 3 plus 3, that equals 6. 6 plus 4, 10. Answers match. All right, number 9. We could do 1 plus 5. That should be pretty easy, right? 1 plus 5 equals 6. 6 plus 3, 9. Okay, let's do 5 plus 3 first. 5 plus 3 equals 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Easy. Okay, moving on. Let's go to number 10. We have 6 plus 4. Oh, that's super easy because that makes a 10. Then we have 10 plus 4, 14. We could do the double first, 4 plus 4. That equals 8. 8 plus 6 also equals 14. How are we doing so far? Hopefully good. Okay, let's keep going to number 11. Ooh, this one's easy. All the same. 5 plus 5 equals 10. 10 plus 5 equals 15. Well, over here it's the same thing. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. Okay, let's go to number 12. 7 plus 0. 7 plus 0 equals 7. 7 plus 6. I'm using a helper double. I know that 6 plus 6 equals 12. Add one more, 13. Okay, let's do 0 plus 6. The answer is 6. 6 plus 7. Again, I can do the helper double again. 6 plus 6 equals 12, plus one more equals 13. All right, number 13. We're going to do, it's just, again, the same thing. Instead of vertically or horizontally, it's vertically. So we'll do 5 plus 3, that equals 8. 8 plus 4 equals 12. Okay, we could also do, which way do I want to do this? I'm going to do 5 plus 4, because I know that equals 9. 9 plus 3 equals 12. Again, it doesn't matter what order, right? It can be anything, you're going to get the same answer. 4 plus 2 equals 6. 6 plus 5, helper double. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Add one more. My answer is 11. Okay, then I also want to do, we can do 2 plus 5, that equals 7. 7 plus 4 equals 11. How do we do? Hopefully good. If not, make sure that you correct any of your answers. Okay, let's go on to number 15. Number 15. It says, write the missing addend. Okay, so this is a little bit different, right? So now we have 5 plus 5 plus something, and our answer is 14. So the first thing that we need to do is figure out what 5 plus 5 equals, right? 5 plus 5 equals 10. I need to get my answer to equal 14. So if I have 10 up here, how many more do I need to add to get to 14? So we're at 10. Let's add on until we get to 14. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we need to add 4 more, because 10 plus 4 equals 14. All right, let's go to the next one. So again, we have 4 plus something plus 4 equals 12. So we need to figure out what 4 plus 4 is. 4 plus 4 equals 8. 8 plus what is going to get us to 12? So we have 8. Let's count on until we get to 12. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so we need to add 4. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 12. And that is true. You can check that. Okay. 3 plus something plus 7 equals 11. So we need to figure out what 3 plus 7 equals, and that should be easy because that makes 10. And then 10 plus what is going to give us 11? That also should be easy. 1. That's what we fill in that box. All right, finally, number 18. 5 plus 3 plus something equals 13. 5 plus 3 equals 8. All right. So here we have 8. 8 plus what is going to get us to 13? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 5. All right. There we go. How much more time do I have? Ooh, not much. Only got a minute. Okay. So I'm not going to be able to get through this page, this problem solving page. So I want you to try it. Get some help from mom and dad. See if you guys can figure it out and work it out. Okay? I hope you guys have an awesome day. Thanks for joining along. Let me know, let one of your teachers know if you have any questions about anything. But I hope you guys have an awesome day. All right. See you later.